Good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. Welcome to my workshop. I applied 303 graphene nano spray coating on the X3 approximately 6 weeks ago, perhaps a bit longer, 6-7 weeks ago. So in the meantime, I've given it two maintenance washes, just quick maintenance washes. Didn't put any QD on it or drying aid, just washed it, dried it. For the best part of that 6 weeks, it sat in the drive, hasn't done many miles at all. So I thought what we do today is we go out and we give it a wash and we see what this is like. Now all the reviews that I've seen on this on YouTube, they all get it gets good reviews on almost every one that I've seen. But the only reviews that I've seen are reviews of people applying it and saying you get a year out of it. So, like I said to you before, many times, applying is one thing, but do we get, do we get what we're told, what it says on the tin? So today we're going to give it a maintenance wash. I'll go out and looks like it's going to be raining in a minute. I'll go out and put some water on it and then we'll wash it and then we'll go out and we'll see what we think together. It says a year plus on here, that was the reason that I bought it, so I'm expecting good things from it. It's starting to rain now, so what we'll do, we'll go out and we'll have a look at the rain on the car now before I've done anything. So let's go out and have a quick look at that. Right, a little bit of gentle rain on the car. This is what it looks like unwashed. The last time I washed it was probably about 10 days ago, and that's what the water beading is like from gentle rain. So I'm going to go and put a cup of coffee on and wait for the rain to clear up, and then we'll give it a wash and we'll see what we think, shall we? Okay, so I've washed the wheels, the rain's gone, the sun's come out, and you can see that there's a few little bits of rain left on it, and you can see that with the dust and dirt on the car, it's just left those watermarks. So let's see what it's like with a bit of spray on it before I wash. Well actually that surprised me, but there we go. I thought it was, because the rain looked pretty good on it, but with a bit of pressure on it I didn't think it looked that good. So let's get the car washed, and then once it's washed we'll have a look what it's like without the dirt on, shall we? Okay guys, so I was going to come out here and hose the car down. Well, I can still do that, but it's raining. Just finished drying the car and it's raining, and that's what we've got at the moment. I'll come out here, I'll wait for the rain to stop, and I'll come out here and I'll put a hose on it so we can see the sheeting. But there we go, that's the beading properties of 303 after 6 weeks. Now considering, now normally you'd say yeah, that's all right after 6 weeks, happy with that, but this is a product that ought to be lasting a year. So let me wait for it to stop raining and we'll get the hose out. So it's near enough stopped raining. Let's see what we think. So I think we can all agree there's still plenty of product on there. The debate is more around, is that the performance you would expect after 6 weeks from a year, from a product that's expected to last a year? I don't know. That is one for debate. But is there plenty of product on there? Yes. Is it protecting the car? Yeah. So 6 week update. So there we go, 6 weeks, 303. We can all agree it's still working. Like I said, the only debate is it working the way you'd expect it to work? And until we test it for a bit longer, we won't really know. So the trial goes on. So like I said, I haven't touched that with any QD or drying aid since I applied this, and I won't. I'll leave it. So, and it hurts me because I want to put something else on it, but I'm not going to. All I'm going to do now is go over, now it's stopped raining, I'll go over and dry it again, and that'll be it, job done. But in the meantime, while I was waiting for the rain to stop, the postman came, and I ordered some bottles from Gleam Detailing the other day. Now behind me, can you see? Yeah, I think you can, up here, these bottles here, people have been asking me where I got them from for some time, and I've been, as each person's asked me, so I've told them, but I needed to get a few more, and I've got these are Kenyan, these are 500ml bottles with really good spray heads. I really like these spray heads. You can get these in litre and 500ml. I've decided to go for the 500ml, and I'll put water in this one. You can either have a really fine spray, or you can do it so that it has a jet. And they're really good triggers, really ergonomically good bottles. I really like them. And these are £4 each. That's the bottle and the trigger, £4 each. And what I've found with Gleam Detailing is you get two things from Gleam. You get really good quality products, and you get superb customer service. And I think the pair of them says it all. So if this is the sort of thing that you want, you can just go online to Gleam Detailing, and like I said, these are £4. I think the litre bottles are £4.50. I think that's the price. So there we go. So I'm going to play around with them now and put some products in them, and because of that type of spray head, you can put you know, cleaning products in, APCs in, or you can put QD in it, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to play around with them now, and that's it. It would have been a short video if I hadn't have talked so much. So short, like I said, short-ish video on the 303 update. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.